In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the option for respondents to view their results on Google Forms. If you've ever created a Google form for a survey or quiz, you might know that by default, respondents can view their submissions after they've completed it. While this feature can be beneficial in some scenarios, there are instances where you might prefer to keep the results private. For instance, if you're using the form for a test or sensitive survey, you don't want respondents to see the responses or scores of others. Let's walk through the process of disabling this option. First, open up Google Forms by navigating to forms.google.com on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, either create a new form by clicking on the plus button for a blank form or select an existing form from your recently accessed forms. Now that you have your form open, look at the top right corner of your screen where you will see the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. The settings menu consists of 3 tabs: General, Presentation, and Quizzes. By default, it opens to the General tab, which is exactly where we want to be. Here, you will see several options related to your form, like collecting email addresses and allowing response editing. For our purpose, look for the option labeled Respondents Can See, which governs what people can view after they have submitted their form responses. Under this section, you might see options like Missed Questions, Correct Answers, and Point Values. To turn off the ability for respondents to view their submission results, you need to uncheck these boxes. Simply click on each box to remove the check mark. It's important to make sure none of these options are checked, as any of them could potentially allow respondents to see their results. Once you have unchecked these options, which prevents respondents from seeing how they or others may have answered, scroll down and click on the Save button at the bottom right of the settings pane. This will ensure that your preferences are applied to the form. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the option for respondents to view their results on Google Forms. Always remember to preview and test your form to ensure everything is working as expected before sharing it with your audience. This small step can make a big difference, especially when privacy and confidentiality are important. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it helped you customize your Google Form settings to suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on using Google tools efficiently.